about New Testament. And they be kind more in general kind in Tamamami. New Testament ni baby udamuno. Say the corner. And more about Jesus Christ and I said Yeshua. Na answer ne be udamuno. Medi kan we. Na one who be a yedi ade ne beko. Ye be Yeshua na wo. Ye hwe na wo ni wi a na ya hwe the gospel. Ye hwe gospel ni wi a na ya hwe Paul against Yeshua. Na ya cruise no. And na Old Testament no. On se na ye nyambe ye new into the man fa Yeshua ambasa. Ba me se me oti ase se Yeshua ni oji omutu mu pe. Eye the prophet. Tieni you. Ane the law na oka no. Enye Genesis to Deuteronomy. On some say the law normal refer to say the 5 books of Moses and then the law. There be the 10 commandments. It's a 10 commandments. Omu if you Egypt for your natural 42 laws of math. Ya mra ya henfo no kuchegu 42 onum ko ye mu 10 and leo na make tell say eye 630 na emomu no ono yi mu 10 pe Bible no na make kan Bible no de 10 ene ye de bamba tola no mu de ye 630 na ewum if say 630 na de mai Yakub the mass scientist aka Jacob aka Enlil aka Yahweh nje the same person enti eno no person o kire say an de na kore ese hu say nyame kese no the most high no one ne nyame ba ko pe eni nyame bia obabia bia mtina kan taka kem say nyame no ye ba ko enunia awu ndi ne bone donyon ko sa wo ho wahu do papa sa eno no ya eno kro e kan ye mra no ho bi nso ya before say ye mfa papa ne ma no ntutu fam ye buo mo pa donyon ko sa yes nti say Yesu ase oje emra no tuma enye Genesis to Deuteronomy ayanu mum nti prophet ene so no na ma hu say ene so e ka ho na sa stories na mo church ho ne de ene de en kan yo omo abrofo no story for omo ho en fa me ho na en fa wo so hu wa we bibini ho enti Yeshua hwe Yeshua ba na wo hwe Yeshua ni kasa mu nyina no there is nowhere Yeshua obo Yahweh dinda so oni mu ana me ka kire wo ba bia ne ho Yeshua obo Yahweh din enti ana pesa me kire wo say Yeshua otwe ne ho efi Yahweh ho enti Yeshua ne nyame na enye Yahweh Yeshua ne nyame enye Yahweh otwe ne ho fi Yahweh ho ba bia ne ho obo Yahweh dinda nti ana pesa me kire wo say eso no nyame na efe ne Yahweh no ene so no Yeshua onam ne ba bi na Yahweh no so ye den enam ne ba bi nti say Yeshua kan God a enye Yahweh ena ye ma ye hu say nyame enson na wo Bible no first stage ni ye list nyame enson ni nyina nti say kan God a insam na ye kan ho na be kire nipa kra nyame kra ye de ye kan hu God of Bible mu a enjina ho ma nyame ejina ma nyame enson na mu asam na ye kan no na be kire nipa pot nyame potin a o kasa sa na tie nti ene no ye hwe wi a na ya hwe revelation ya krusu esan say Christopher gidi say omo de omo som Jesus Christ Christopher gidi say omo de any Muslim for cause omo gi New Testament ni tum omo gidi say omo de omo nyame Jesus Christ Messiah omo gidi say Jesus na so ndakura pa wo ho ne say Christianity nyame na wo ho no it's not Jesus, it's not Yeshua. The founder of Christianity is not Yeshua. It's not Yeshua. And no. The God in New Testament, according to the Bible, is not Yeshua. So Christians, for their whole life, have been worshiping a God who is not Yeshua. And I think so no. Christopher Edi esumachia enye Yeshua ne kreti. The foundation of Christianity is not Yeshua, it's not Jesus. The foundation of Christianity is Paul. So Paul owns Christianity. That is why Christians, if you are talking to them, they always quote Paul, Corinthians, Romans, Ephesians. Paul ne kwasi asema o choro choro no no quote. They don't quote Yeshua because if you watch Yeshua's teachings doesn't lead you to create a church. Yeshua's teachings doesn't lead you to create a message like resurrection. Uche Yeshua teachings are even po kakra na omode Bible mo de mo gospel no. Yeshua teachings, it will never lead you to go to church. It will never lead you to create a church. It will never lead you to believe in I died and I resurrected. It didn't come from Yeshua himself. Tienio, ena Yesu wi, ena namiensa, ena osole, ena otiejani nifaso, ena ujini tumwa, na ujini se ono yo okraso nyame, ono wuye no osole ya obeko heaven. This message didn't come from Yeshua. Sameboa, come and prove me wrong. It didn't come from Jesus. There is nowhere in the Bible where Jesus said, worship me, where Jesus said, I need your soul, where Jesus said, believe in me that I died. I came to die for your sins. There's nowhere Jesus said, I came to die for your sins. There's nowhere in the Bible. Bibiani hosa. Entino, onyadofo, hunu se, Christosome, Christianity, the foundation is Paul. Paul owns Christianity. All over the world, all the denominations in besi Latter-day Saint, Jehovah, besi SDA, all of them. The foundation is not the Jesus Christ they say they are worshiping. No. Jesus didn't lay any foundation for Christianity. So Christianity doesn't belong to Jesus, the original Jesus, I mean. It doesn't belong to Yeshua. It belongs to Paul. So the God of Christianity is Paul. And Paul will lead them to his God. And you know, my establish we na wie no. They say, what you my cry, what you my hey, Saki so sumo ya sumi na cross anya Yeshua na de bae. And the one na de bae, and anything they be uramu. Sanya men sanya Yeshua na yesum na one yesum, and anything they be uramu. So that you know. And the uncle can we mommy.
Okay. Bacho aha double tapping, mommy. I need more.
Yes, now
double tapping.
I want say ewa into the young kind nina because of time.
Okay.
Matthew chapter 1, 18 to 24.
Matthew 1, 18 to 24.
Aye, no I can in them. When they endorse into
Matthew 1, 18. Okay. I'll say, now the birth of Jesus Christ was on this wise. When his mother Mary was espoused to Joseph, before they came together, she was found with a child of the Holy Ghost. Then Joseph, her husband, being a just man and not willing to make her a public example, was minded to put her away privately. But while he thought on these things, behold, the angel of the Lord appeared unto him in a dream, saying, Joseph, thou art thou son of David, fear not to take unto thee Mary thy wife, for that which is conceived in her is of the Holy Ghost. And she shall bring forth a son, and thou shalt call his name Jesus, for he shall save his people from their sins. Now all this was done, that it might be fulfilled, which was spoken of the Lord by the prophet, saying, Behold, a virgin shall be with a child, and shall bring forth a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which being interpreted is God with us.
Medase. I say me say yen kind Bible because of time, but stories in the book ha unim. New Testament be a common obi anim.
Yeah.
Enti wo hwe a say o kan mo gospel for gospels now. Ye say ye wo no ye kwa wo no wa Bethlehem in a manger. And 3 wise men who follow the star no e go say kwa wo the manger. Enti na say manger dey look by ye twi kasa mo ye say ye wo no wa dwan den dwan buom. Okay, say ye wo no dwan buom a ye be hu. Yeah, when you join boom,
Bacho wa happen so we see when you join boom and I see when you join boom no double tap na share
na yeah
prophet here go
mama establish you way Ode ma misa wo mini kan misa wo zafonat.
Okay.
Jesus message fa na wo ho no. Gospel ne de ne kwa na wonim. New Testament pe na make kan. Not old. New Testament pe. Prophecy fa ono na wo ho no. De he na wonim.
Ewo New Testament.
Aye.
New Testament there, apart from angel na Oba Mary ho no. Menim say prophecy bia say New Testament kra prophet bi enim. Menim say prophecy bia fa no.
Okay. Revelation 12.
Pacho, ubisa me question na. Upese me answer no say ene ana me tete no.
What it no? Dem say to someone you say about is something about sorry. Hallelujah. And I will say
because the lady my questions be very.
And yeah, there questions. Yeah, corner according because of senior at year forecast or your money and person young corner level no level.
Okay.
Revelation chapter 12, 1-6, can in them.
Edisem Etibako 12
1-6, can in them.
Okay, and there appeared a great wonder in heaven, a woman clothed with the sun, sun, and the moon under her feet, and upon her head a crown of 12 stars. And she being with child cried, travailing in birth, and pain to be delivered. And there appeared on another wonder in heaven, and behold, a great red dragon, having 7 heads and 10 horns, and 7 crowns upon his heads. And his tail drew the third part of the stars of heaven, and did cast them to the earth. And the dragon stood before the woman, which was ready to be delivered, for to devour her child as soon as it was born. And she brought forth a man child, who was to rule all nations with a rod of iron, and her child was caught up unto God and to his throne. And the woman fled into the wilderness, where she had a place prepared of God, that they should feed her there 1,203 days. Patch 7, mental also.
1,203 days.
1,203 days.
Yeah. Until 1,260. Until 1,002. 1 and 2. Yeah. 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 and 9. 9 months, no.
Numerology na the room.
9. Until 1,260 no. Just means that 9. 9 means 9 months. Or about 9 months. Until man end ho.
Okay.
Afi kind Quran mame. She. Yeni Africa kasa.
Na Quran e be fa we.
O ko pa we. Google na kind.
But we go online na.
Surah Maryam.
Okay.
Chapter 19, 21-27.
Mpacho break mame na maybe adma fan dem nko hokra.
Sabi Christosumo na omuhu se Islam ye omo tanfu ana se Islam nyame de ala de onya nyame na Islam
mame in scripture ni bi.
Surah Maryam. Ti boso so Surah Maryam. SURAH 19 21-27.
Okay. Mpacho wa double tap why na. O man style mu nyina okrum. Okay, verse 19, chapter 19 verse 21. I say the angel into bracket or a divine voice says that bringing about this miraculous birth is easy for Allah, and that Jesus will be a sign for humanity and a mercy from God, as it is a matter already decreed. 22. Maryam conceives the child and withdraws to a remote place. 23. The pains of childbirth drive her to the trunk of a palm tree. In her distress, she wishes she had died before this moment and was forgotten. 24. A voice, into bracket, often interpreted as Jesus or the angel, calls to her from below, telling her not to grieve, as the Lord has provided a stream beneath her. 25. She's instructed to shake the trunk of the palm tree, which will drop fresh, ripe dates for her. 26. She is told to eat, drink, and be comforted. If she sees anyone, she is to say, Indeed, I have vowed to the most merciful abstention, into bracket, a fast of silence. So I will not speak today to any man. Marianne returns to her people carrying the child. They express shock, saying, Oh, Mary, you have certainly done a thing unprecedented, into bracket, or a strange / monstrous thing.
Yeah, me da se pa say watimi anya ne fast kura dia ma me. Oni adofo.
Uya mitwa manim ha kire wa.
Oni adofo.
Gadgets go ha. Prof mpacho he omo de ade na aba o. Omo de ade na aba. Omo say live ni idle. Because people are not liking, people are not sharing. So they say the live is idle. So please, if you are here, kindly share the live for me. Abinash collection, Umar Sterling, mo ha, Rejoice, mo ha mpacho, mo share na mo like ma na enya active. Prof, mpacho so far, simedu asako, yenka ye ho. Na ene de, oye me den nonkro ya pon.
Mate. Enti yeda yenya nkopon twe di ampon koro no ase se ene de wamma yakwenya se yen devil into the New Testament na yenfa ye into ye na enya once and for all. One said ya ukan ye. Prophecy efa awo bi ho. So ukan New Testament na ukan four gospels na. Omu nyina they draw back to Old Testament.
Yeah.
Now so there in New Testament in the book of Revelation, how are yabewo Yeshua no? Yeshua nankasaka inti hano. Revelation 1 verse 1. Be na kind.
Revelation chapter 1 verse 1.
Yes.
The revelation of Jesus Christ, which God gave unto him, to show unto his servants things which must shortly come to pass.
Yeah.
And he sent and signified it by his angel unto his servant John.
Osi then the
revelation
of who?
Osi Yesu Christo ediye a onyankopon de man no se onkyere ne nkoa.
Enya mighty wadiye. Enya Luke. Enya Mark. Enya John. Osi Yesu Christo na diye. And when you look bi no aka na asemo na enya mighty bi na enya John bi eye Yesu na nkasa.
None of the gospel.
Yes, so when you come to Revelation, there is only one book originally from Yeshua himself. Yeshua nankasa Jesus na wudi na chino ni book I what the book in the New Testament no, is the book of Revelation. He has no other book apart from the book of Revelation. So the book of Revelation Yeshua nankasa kasani book.
Mpacho we no Yeshua ni book na okano. Is it the original Yeshua that we know?
Original Yeshua.
What children and say
original Yeshua.
Jesus Christ. No? Okay.
America Jesus Christ America. Original Yeshua. We find Jesus Christ. On one kasankasa ni book or Troy. Or the man John. And no. In Arab, I find Injil. Into Quran, I find Injil. Until now, one wasem. And what chapter 12, 1-6. Nti na wo hwasa na chapter 12 1-6 na say oba bia fanyi nsan na opasa owo no na dragon no pesa oyeden oche ne ba no ku no nti na oyeden odwane na ko osele ne so na ko osele ne so no wahu nyame no so kire ne say obehwe ne wa ha na obema no aduane manadi o kai Matthew na o kai Quran no then the dia dance e o ema Revelation enye Quran no enye Quran na ka kire o say Abraham Mariam awo kan no enkofo omopa say omo tete ni dede no ema ni dwane ko osere so o kan Matthew no uhu bibisa ko kan Mark na ko kan Luke se obehu say ye ka ni Revelation kan ye na ha na meti hu ama menua no mo a mo wa krisesu mu a ma adwen se mo de ne ye papa sin Quran mo de ne papa sin Islam no hwe no kura me say nyame anu the most high ukon the table Islam is higher than Christianity. Islam is rated higher than Christianity. Ayawo na osu say Islam de no mapu amoto no da bia na amobutu because you don't understand signs and tokens. Sa bu na mu bu mu gina ha na ode ne sa gu na chi na wa bu ni musa no. Unim ade a oye 90 degrees no how to defeat the devil. 90 degrees facing the sun. One says teach we be no na ya me no because of want ya say. Say no ye prepare kwan ne kakra say do you an ase ye di deep teachings no. Ni omo be kan say nkofo hia okot ne dia braw. We geometry. 90 degrees facing the sun. You cross I want say moon no. Devil ne sign here crescent moon into half because a half moon and a crescent moon. To defeat the crescent moon, you need 90 degrees of the sun.
Okay.
Nti okotefo na munim we no near the biri wani susa. Enti a Quran mom and on the story about how I wo Jesus no and they correct and they confirm it to near Revelation Jesus na kasa kan no. Enti ha no ubehu se ni omo ye ne say someone is supposed to come. A Messiah is supposed to come at the end of the age. From Genesis to Malachi. Wahu afe Yeshua so ba ebeye na dwuma wiya. From according to omomo de from Matthew to Revelation no. Eyeso obiba no mbe close to age ni kura. On say planet Earth evolution ma say 24,000 years. 24,000 years no and in the year 2000. Inti sa age no end. Inti I end no near so ba no be close to bibia na ye renew another 24,000 year cycle no. Eso oba. Na near so oba no. And omo fe the Messiah. So Yeshua is not the Messiah. First thing, Yeshua is not the Messiah. Yeshua came on a purpose to the lost tribe of Judah. In two can Bible no say I came to my own. Me pacho brofo ya brofo sentence me ba me diem. Nso sora say Yesu awu agi obi ankwa. O say oba ne diem. Nyame safo ba ye Ghana mu no eden oba ye. Oba hu so otukwan ko ba bi. Enti nyame safo oba but wamba ma wiase nyina even Africa kra wamba ma Africa nyina. Nanso Africa no bedi so wamba mo mu ne say ade na say odi 2 million edua ba bi foundation ba bi. Na of kwa na ye adwuma na atera akone aka no sa no moye no.
Okay.
God doesn't need to be everywhere. Send Yeshua oba kenas asese no ene say what in ka Ghana ho. Sa no etie. Enti eye ne so oba momu no eye kantanka ne ba panyin in the universe. Aye Angel Michael. Ono ye Amun-Ra. Ono ye Melchizedek. Ono ye the Almighty. Ono hwe third dimension. Third dimension. That's where fifth dimension. Enti Nyame na oba ne Yeshua na orfa ni nyina no the Angel Michael. So Angel Michael is the Almighty. Angel Michael is Alpha and Omega. He is supposed to come. Enti ono so no obeba how I ebe wo no. And omode kan ho chiro Yeshua ne stories ni nyina. Enti o ma chiro Yeshua story say aginkwa na ese oba no wa bampo dada. Elijah ese obe prepare kwama Messiah no aye Angel Michael madukunu no aye so oba no o ma cho so de say oh Elijah kra so aba Matthew oh abe prepare kwama Elijah John the Baptist abe prepare kwama ma Yeshua Messiah na ba sana be ya o mbe yi nipa ani afi ne aye so oba no entimi ni ukasai Angel Michael aba o ono kro obaja nyame safo kantaka say ni so no 1948 Angel Michael 1945 1945 enti wahu wabawo ena how I tro so say oba ebeye no sa pepe so na ye but yanu madhuru adikan akotro Bible te say nipa na ba anu Yeshua anu aginkwa no enti Yeshua na wuo mu ne birth story e fa ho prophecy e fa ho ena ye Revelation chapter 12 1 to 6 enti ne wo kan wo Matthew Mark Luke ni nyina no enintina yeko wuno dwanbuo mu no. That is why that Jesus was born in a manger. Say entro nipa be na beka ko dwanbuo mu na wo enam ne kra wo dwanbuo mu na ne oye kesere ko wuno dwanbuo mu wanya.
Oh na prophet not say o hwe Quran e kan na That is, there were not even witnesses to our
O say, no.
Our kasa cry witnesses ni ho.
Witnesses ni ho. Esan say, woman son of modi and no. O yeni pa kese. Enti say ye wona at a point in time no. Tie me ma no. At a point in time no, there should be a situation where there can be small gathering, and I said no gathering. Senebeya, they will come. Tieni yo. Many will say, ye space. Unim spacecraft I hold over 1,000 spacecraft. And they will hover in our skies.
Around.
But since I omudio mu sie crowd no. Unim anyamene enkofa kese amu wiem. Mo hwa sase we so. Hwe. And they are there. They never go. The bia no mo make sure say nkofo wo wiem mo hwa sase no so hwe ne yekoso. And ti so mbe ba ne mo ye ne say they use fifth dimensional technology, light beam. I had to say light gun. Amono so okra ye kai in its highest form no a light. Afa like mami wana omodi sa omuwe na ababeto so amame. Nti afa like mami. Aya se mo
double tap it na.
Afa like mami why?
Unse co-hosting no mostly na for the games. But okay. Games in no. I think sentina system no ehun ni say I don't know.
Okay, enti aya okra no ne higher self no aya kanea aya light into obia na light. Into mu use that technology now and more transfer soul no into akwara na ya wo no. Enti Yeshua de ni say no sa na happen in no ayi na mu shoot soul no ekotum. Sa na nyame safo de no sa pepe na happen. Enti akwara ya wo na yes activate the God sense no nkwala brem na mo di soul na den aba beto bi wa so mo di soul no tum ntem. Enti nyame safo say ne de no ne ono ye ne say ono ankasa hye omo ye wo na kwala no ono ankasa de ne tum ni hye omo say no man na wo ye no mu hu ni say because ye wo na ade kokoda ne nan e na wo fofa na untimi mfa na gisa wakoto na wafa no na akwade da won so na urembu atwa ne ho ahia. Enti ate say oye nipa bi hu ne omo hu o say tete for ne beka so ye bosom na nipa be nkwa ne ya wu
ni savo kantanka na wo asem
na me kan
awenye sunsuma asem
anya sunsuma asem physical wan koto a untimi na ade kokoso da ne nan. Enti omo ye sanam say dia oye bosom ba
from the word go.
Yes, ese oye bosom ba enti no we dia ye no mo diri ko village baby omo twanso na mo koya apaye no mo gya no tunso omo ba fie no ho na akora no wo fie bebe no ne ye ne say omo ese omo timi di ne koto na omo activate ne God self no na ne ma no embra ho embe activate a nipa hu sa na omo ye nti sa na Yeshua de ne ye ena omo chiro omo de no mo koye ne say in a manger na te say ne papa ne ma bi ko sie wan kona.
These ordinary people be around.
The ordinary people were around her. I just said, your mashe, so mu huntinje market ye ni say. Enje market ya wona secondary. Nte uko secondary hospital, government hospital 1945. 26 June 1945. 3 wise men na me kan. Answer me say, sa 3 wise men saw no efa enje market ni obeba no. Messiah na kasa original na obeba no. Ni ebe friend Emmanuel no still is about the Messiah Angel Michael.
Okay.
Enti kan we mami.
Okay.
Enti Yeshua ne wo no story no and the revelation no. Na ni omo keka kan ni nyina ni Isaiah no hye nkon no mu nyina na ye Angel Michael.
Okay.
Enti meba o.
Ti say ya coin. Bacho double tap. There is
Isaiah
double tap
9:6-7.
Okay.
Isaiah 9:6-7.
Isaiah chapter 9.
6-7.
Isaiah chapter 9, verses 6 and 7. Okay, I'll say of the increase of his government. 7 I make 6. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, And his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. 7. Of the increase of his government and peace, there shall be no end upon the throne of David and upon his kingdom, to order it and to establish it with judgment and with justice from henceforth, even forever.
Or Isaiah 7:14.
Isaiah chapter 7, verse 14. Or say, therefore the Lord himself shall give you a sign. Behold, a virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and shall call his name Emmanuel.
Emmanuel. So call Jeremiah 23:5-6.
Jeremiah, Bra Jerry, where you from? Jeremiah chapter
23:5-6.
Chapter 23, verses 5 and 6. Or say, behold, the days come, saith the Lord, that I will raise unto David a righteous branch, and the king shall reign and prosper, and shall execute judgment and justice in the earth. 6. In his days Judah shall be saved, and Israel shall dwell safely, and this is his name, whereby he shall be called, the Lord our righteousness.
Okay. Mark the word, the Lord our righteousness. Now if kind, Micah 5:2.
Micah.
And I say Micah.
So can you? So
5:2.
Micah chapter 5, verse 2. But thou, Bethlehem Ephratah, though thou be little among the thousands of Judah, yet out of thee shall he come forth unto me, that is to be ruler in Israel, whose goings forth have been from
Hosea 11:1. Hosea 11:1.
Hosea chapter 11,
verse 1.
When Israel was a child, then I loved him and called him out of Egypt.
What who say? Or say, where the now you saw Micah, or say, Ephrata.
Bethlehem
Ephrata. Entina Micah say, sa Satan wahu. Ni ideology odi wuru wiase no ye fe technology. Technology. Or the trickster, master of intricacy. Send our tricky if no sa pepe. O yusu words. Obet man for whole story. Attending to another story. Obet man for another story. Attending to whole story. Obet shon idea oba nwene ade ne se na be ya obedi atum. One say the river Euphrates. The river Euphrates. I say what Tigris in the Euphrates. And so na me kan oh yeah boy we are saying ya mo cheche na say garden of Eden insuo sanifiri ya fa akọ rivers no say Euphrates wom. Enti ukwa kona monko hwe the Akan race. That was the nation of Nubia on YouTube. My Akan race. Between the two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates. The land of Kish, the land of Kish, Akan for. And you say, I'll call you from Euphrates, Bethlehem, Euphrates, and to Bethlehem, Canaan, so Israel. Wouldn't him say that? Euphrates, Mesopotamia, and then lay for Iraq and Iran. Iraq were top and Iran were down. If you was a deba Canaan assassin into a say Bethlehem, Canaan assassin. Into Kanya, one may say, oh, yeah, no Bethlehem. Or see, a one a if you say, yeah, come for a one and I say, the land of Kish. And ye answer the video. Yeah, baba, see a baby on my Ghana. And this also friend nephew was China said he will call him from the seed.
Okay.
Book seed, the Akan seed. So Njimaki was born in Ghana. His mother is Ewe. Niesa Obano. Niesa Obana making the Messiah was supposed to come. Mese Nyamesafo Enki Neba Penyi a ono wo no university no one name Michael. Enti yankwe. They say I established say.
Are we still expecting the coming of the Messiah?
And I mentioned say Yeshua by ana near ese oba no aye nje Michael no ena omo mo tro Yeshua so ne se Yeshua na ye Messiah no nti Messiah na ba ena afei omo san so de kan ho se Yeshua no kọ na obesan so eden aba biem so one enti na say nipa na still are more expected the second coming of then Yeshua. Meanwhile, they were supposed to expect the coming of Angel Michael. Enti no first one no solid sci-fi Angel Michael ne maye ho no omo de akoma Yeshua. Enti nipa ina adwua fi so obi kura ho ese oba. First one. And afei Yeshua so aba omma biem. Waba akọ omma biem. Ana omo akọcho ne say obesan so aba. Enti say no omo musa so nimi say ba ku bu ese oba. Enti san ko fondo omo adwua ko si Yeshua mum so. Ena nye Yeshua na ese oba. Enti omo yewe se na be ya Messiah ne ba. The humans will not know. The humans being will not know.
But Messiah na oba na human yetwi adwen fi no so no oba be yeden.
Ana make a chair say in closing of the age 24,000 years I end ese new evolution ase. Enti say end ya oba na waba be seti bibia. Enti bana oba no oba ne sen or the judgment ba judgment na oba no or the new government oba be uru the first stage of the new 24,000 year evolution. Because what I say you no third dimension, that's fifth dimension.
Okay.
So enti on a government they want to show that no on the sound of righteousness, something catch yourself mark righteousness. And to kind Malachi chapter 4 or see the dreadful day of the Lord. In Jamaica, no, I didn't know book no yam friend DBF Malachi. Malachi means Michael. Ni book no, ni prophecy no about him. And I say Elijah beba ansana why they will lay foundation ansana waba. Elijah saw baha 1897. No free her 1975.
Ahani ye planet Earth.
Planet Earth.
Okay.
One who say
Inti omo a okasoma bay like the likes of Angel Michael also aba or second D ne Elijah also aba 18 here. Did people know say omo?
It is only few people because you can't say oba obeba say den o before oba omo okoko Entino, ebe fa nipa se rapture. Sa me pe na fa nipa se rapture. Nko for that city aso dem sum Jesus. Chese Jesus ba. Ense ne so oba no waba because na make say ya yi ni ko for adwen afi Messiah na so oba no. No mo di nipa na ji ko si Yeshua so. Enti devil no wa to boba mienu enu obiti nipa ni nyina.
Enti those people who came now, the few knew say okay, this is Elijah or this is Michael no. Okay, in the case of somebody like Safo Kantanka, we know say or no, even though you are celebrating that much, but at least it didn't shetai. People knew about him, who he was as son of planet. So those people, Elijah and the Michaels, no, on by no, almost munyasa in hinenibi. I was asking so.
Omunyai. Now, answer my what I say. So moba it's not for a US in Union. I didn't call your catcher so about to do before. To an issue battle, it is not for about more content, such as about more cocoa. One is battle no about this or more munim no munim. Now, if you're more so baby, you man a moment, and to a may kind of work on the year. A Angel Michael, and then Yamesafo, or my bantina Yamu Biaba, Dr. Parker Sinumina Congo what to Munina. But second go to over country, say, a went in a maba. Enti yena yeye achechirefo no yemu bi wo ha yense ye wadwuma ye ka no na ye da abirimu adi na ye twa adwensi so efisa say meme line no eye more of say ye meme abibifo no ye line no ye hu divine nimdie no nyamensem no ena afi no ya mamre ne ya mane bebe ye fi ni ye kwa nimdie kwan so efise sa ntokwa we ya ye kun enye miracles ne spiritual eye intellectual warfare nimdeɛ ɛsɛ sɛ nimdeɛ na ɔde adaadaa nti nimdeɛ so na yɛde bɛgye mo
ɛsɛ odi nimdeɛ counter
yes
na replace
we nya miracle
but the baby question akwa kusi ni say
yes
a certain Safo Kantanka even in the next 200,000-300,000 years his name will still be in the mouth of many Ghanaians.
Yeah.
Say a certain man came on this planet and their friend say Sir Michael ne Elijah no do they have any DB or no
yes
or history?
Yes.
How bet I reveal it am I?
Yes.
Nti na Elijah ya hwan?
Elijah, opese hu Elijah. Ko hwe Elijah Muhammad.
Ay ebe unu asem o internet ne so.
Me say ko hwe Elijah Muhammad.
Okay. So no Elijah oba 18
yes
40 something. Ena Nje Michael no ba second din nso e.
Nje Michael de ne de me ni akonya se ese me bo.
Okay.
Ebi se waka se meba te so wifo.
Okay.
Yeah, ese me nyansani na mantomra.
Okay.
Waka se obeba te so wifo e na waba. Na anroba eba na anroba no on ne boys. Na waka che ne boys se mamu kan jiro bia o na ne boy ba akokwa akoka. Wa ukupi o master ni ma de na obeye. Bayemre. Nti se wa odidi mu ana ukohu no dia akwate ne kade a ende wara. Nti oyo mo no mo kan ye ho. What you say? Oyo mo no mo kan ye ho a omo control vibrations ne okra ne de nti onse bia metaka cho se ensem ni bi wa ya meka cho nyese minimu. Meti ho make kan na eba because on be drop it. But you opese ma hu no ma mo hu. We say mle ne so so opese me nda na dia because me ba be ye anyame enson no mo profile me ba beye se duru no ma me kwan ya na ma ye no full profile sa nsem na ye kan Emmanuel ne ye se okọ Yesu kwa solifie na okọ ho no na okọ kan Isaiah na ye ka sa o nyame ne ye wo ha ni nyina happen na wom se ne ye se three wise men no ni nyina happen wo secondary they came omo landed wo the coast of secondary omo spacecraft ni be see ho fishermen ho hu omo ko hospital ko yin operation e the golden pension insa na me ka to say Nje Michael wa bensi obi in the universe onim subject bia bi 1945 so ma me kwan a me ka ni nyina ono ana num nsem me ka ni nyina enti
ngwa esa se okochere o se ochere wade o Jupiter so
yeah
article 15
obende nipa wasase ne so hwe nipa atitru wasase ne so
ba okay anan bisa asemi se aden na emri bi krapo me kai se Mami Grace ebisa sa question we one of the guests say adentina nyame safo ewo Ghana no Ghana fo kire yen na woyi nani na onfi yen ebisa bisa bisa obi pen ma o ka se emre no eye ya cheche nti obi edi ne laimu obi empese
obi edi ne laimu se Ghana fo ho kire omo a eye mo ena musu na mo se ye na ja wo soro odi ho ntew wahini embra ahini na ba na muda sisiwo nyame no ba omben ka cho se hey Ghana fo from Akufo-Addo to wase me na me nyame no mabo mutu mbra medi machi obo no ma wonyansa ne nimde nti ohwese onipa wa bo no opese wankasa wisu wonyansa ne onimde emfa mbo bra nti nyame no ye na je say he want human beings to evolve naturally. Everything should happen naturally.
It shouldn't be induced.
Yes, induced. Yan nipa. So wahu. Ena wahante ne say enye nipa ni nyina na ya nyame de. Ane na wusu hu no.
Okay.
Mama wo say nyame no mo ye nso no Bible no. Ena nyame no mo bo nipa no. Omo ye mienu. Ye woni obo abrofo no. Ne woni obo abibifo. Enti abibifo no ne ye abibifo no soso no. Nyame na obo abrofo no. Baaku wo mu a mama wate se Canaan nase ne ma 11 e wo Genesis chapter 10 verse 15 go yi no. Hamat no etuntum. Nti ono so nase fo adole awa frafra yi mu anti nipa tuntum ni nyina kra no ensa so nye ye nkofo. Nye nyina no mu nyina na ye nkofo. Ebiri mu ya abrofo no ba ye tuntum. Oya bino a ne ne chakras no ye 6 te sa brofo no enti etuntum te sa meni wo omkro mo ye tumpa esan so ma me no ye tum pa te se Sudan fo ukọ Ghana wo saye enzema wo sema fo ye tumpa tum ntu hwe Ghana ha omo ye tuntum omo de omo frafra ye akanfo no omo ti sakola
ensem de o ka bi pa
ye beduru ho nti omo nyina so no omo ne ye nya pe nti nyamsafo no owo ne nkofo
nti otimi mma emme proclaimi
dabi
disclose
they say ya ne ba be diso ya na ya akan nyamsafo na se ya ne ba be diso si on ne nyame ya ba be diso anyame no mo ye 4 ne o bible me se o mo ye nson ba 4 no mo ahini no etontwa da ehihim yes san no o mo the 4 living creatures surrounding God's throne the eagle, the bull, the man, and the lion. Man, ne nyamesafo. On the pen a man, on the representing nipa. Ne Angel Michael, on the lion, no. On the near day. Angel Michael, on the pen the two nature in the universe. Say young con negative, young con positive, into on two natures. By you say that you are transformed about a pure light beam, because you will do 7th dimension. When what do you say? And you say, Nidia, sir, negative side in Wajai. And can you go away? Oh, and America for Aquachi, and come out 2 bomb alcohol da. I'm on morning, but I say what just idea. She say no one or ita
light beam.
And
I don't understand the movie called Immortals.
Yeah.
It says in it, no God shall interfere the work of men. And I know last week I say even when the Most High take flesh ebas asisua or you're limited. That is a sanity. Prophet Yentuaso Yentua
enti hano
send me their clear ya make a cry fine. Itu wa hano man pa chop prof asana be kono. Me ma etefo hu say double tapping no e can show no. Double tapping ya pa me chow e can show no. Enti se unya kwanya bia na odonsa abobofo no so kakra man dan na keti Uma Sterling Rejoice Mockley munyina mo ha papacho mo like be my fine na enko yenim kakra prof yanto aso
enti hwe the book of Revelation Angel Michael asem na afi Yeshua na asem enti haneti ni the Alpha and Omega na Angel Michael da nya many true ya ka kire say atasefo anan na atwa hu ahia na afi empanyifo adunu 24 elders acha hu ahia na ma kire say 24 elders na ye thrones ya hinie na sa 24 elders na omo ye 24 scientists master scientists and obia no sa hinie no bia no mo wo nkofo o ma hia mo serve small angels and I say onipa omo so be fa abirimu a ya abgidu makudu sa level no omo hyehye ase omo ye adwuma omo master and Angel Michael on the 19th elder into 19th no abanyina ye 1 to 9 numbers 1 to 9 pe nyaka nyina repetition 11 1 waka bo humienu 15 1 and 5 1 to 9 pe 1 and alpha beginning mfitiase 9 na last and omega nti so the 19th elder as the channel say he is the alpha and omega that 24 nti efa ne say o mampanyin no won the council of state no won the ministers nti on so mampanyin no ono the council of state o mo fa adwene wi a na ministers ne ye adwuma no ministers so no bo so mampanyin be yi panyin ba ko so on do ma no ko so mo ko ba bia origins no nti sa 24 days no mo sa adwuma no mo ye nti ya chamo mo obia ni area ohwe mo pan ni Angel Michael on alpha and omega nti kan revelation na sa alpha and omega na won ye Jesus o nye Yeshua na ye the 23rd elder on the youngest elder on that 24 elders Yeshua na ye the youngest nti alpha and omega no Angel Michael he is supposed to come nti kan Malachi and to say that before the dreadful day of the Lord Malachi chapter 4 before into I say the son of righteousness obeba he will come with healing ayono enti ehano onua desani 4 gospels na ye de maamu no ene nso so ne di ni 4 gospels no ese eye Matthew eye Mark na ye Luke na ye John na me body tofa na yakum ne yatie ne say John Yeshua ne disciple John amo the spacecraft ebe fa no ye make sure say enkofo no e pam na de ne call on low line mbeka say Patmos the island of Patmos, the island of Patmos. Send a bear amo the spacecraft be there ba fa de bankofo de mo firi say omo yi ne to twene o e na koto island so tin ba fi on bet titi ye biem na de ntim ponti na John no mum na Yeshua kra ma onyi ncheye if so no na oben Yeshua no pa anti Yeshua de kan secret kire na on kan kire ahoforo nti John no de on so no ye young nti se na be ya obenyini ache na ye de revelation na de ama no and ye de spacecraft ebe fa no te se ne de master be se hum wiase bia ni ba bia according to Bible na me kan but Bible na me can you can in there you see John say I was one cool of the day I was in the spirit of the Lord and the spirit of the Lord took me pacho yeah fast spirit of the Lord be a enko a spacecraft na de ko wi a spacecraft na de ko wi yeah go heaven spacecraft na de ko yeah now they know anything you can mention in this physical realm then of course it has physical existence.
It's been discovered.
Yes, it has physical existence. It's also heaven. Heaven is a physical place, a planet. So in planetary terms, the transportation is by spaceship or spacecraft, not even aeroplanes, because aeroplanes deal with air. So when you move from the stratosphere of another atmosphere of planet Earth above the gravity level, there is no air in space, so you cannot fly aeroplanes in space.
Beyond,
yeah, you use spacecraft. Spacecraft use hydrogen gas. They use anti-gravity. Anti-gravity means the anti-gravity, which means there's no gravity.
Yeah.
And the spacecraft,
gravity.
Yeah, a spacecraft. And you didn't buy, and you better pay no. And they call the spacecraft Nibiru. The spacecraft Nibiru, and the moving throne of God. Into a spacecraft move around in our solar system, and any in Jamaica no move fee. Into Muma, move or check planet Nina, or check planet Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Venus, or check Neptune, or control Bibia. Into a modern course, no go in Jamaica, Alpha and Omega, no go Yeshua. A hono who say, say Yeshua crano, Akokrau, Nanya 33 years via, Niti wing na fita Ghana, Africa, Eviasi. A blantier 33 years bia no ha ni timi ye fita ampa also what more than 33 years utimi ye fita
aka make kako 40 minsha
you be 33 years ni timi ye fita apart from say footballers ni musicians or bad dignity
ebia no you free
Yeshua so you free you timi say me ne wo to wo enti say John kan say mi hunu no ni timi nyina ye fita na ye wuli sasapo wuli ya bibi kama be kan se bia te sasapo wuli wangu o sitwe nanim hyerese owia na na setwa senyawa enti ha no enya me na me kan kire o se enye Yeshua onye burunyi no bibini o enya me se me kan kire o ese wu but one thing is say obonefo na atwoma dwan kokosi Matthew, Mark, Luke, John no maja Revelation Revelation catch us said this is the prophecy of Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Now what Jesus no book or watch out to and more kind Mark, more kind Luke, na more kind John, na more kind Nyaka, and more Jan, don't you know? Christians don't even know more about Revelation. Meanwhile, right there, it was written, blessed is the one who reads this book, blessed is the one who shares this book. And you know, the whole Bible, and the Panyaka said, oh, Kanya Yishirao. Uti cross so Yishirao. And
that's true.
And think I didn't know we whole life Revelation now one kind of Yishirao.
Ni Yishirao.
Or son of all kind. Well, yeah, you need to for Revelation. And a Revelation, I'm kind of media day, media, semi mystery, a proper
true, say, Okanya.
Yes. Yes, so Yeshua will not speak in plain. A Revelation. And to send to Revelation as a pa, and Kaun near Konina will be asking the Bessia. If so, Revelation and they happen kesa abesi ene enti sofo sori a prophet sori a osi o ma hyenkom me hu say yakwachi Venezuela president me hu say Iraq for ekota Israel for kwakota ke Iran o boa hu hwe ya Canada over 2000 years ago ni nyina revelation Trump ni nyina wo ho Trump oba first step
ewo revelation be din nim
asa una wonim Trump Miss Trumpet Oka se ni din da okake trumpet no tena ho
revelation is the trumpet bebre o
ai
enti
no the first term on so buy first term second term no Lucy no asan ba be ni nyina revelation enti se ukoye say prophecy ma shenkom Trump will lose this election won shenkom here boa revelation dada this Trump come back he will win the election boa revelation dada enti na meka tell say asofo no mo shenkom o se obesa o shenkom a kan sama eba dachi any book biamu
it's not recorded.
It's not part
anywhere.
of this 24,000 years because this 24,000 years evolution, everything that's supposed to happen, all the prophecies have been settled and done.
It's been recorded
Already. And then I make a say, prophet comes with a message. They bring a message, so they are messengers or they are light bearers. I didn't think I could go to offer the light bearer. Men are use prophet to say, maybe they are more of divine, more of religion, consciousness side. And the son beya, memamatic prophet, nothing. Come if a prophet come to come use messenger and as a light bearer. But since I'm a person break sa yoke of prophet near their shemu trimuno, I had that diamond. And time the prophet and acadino come in fan count. A messenger out of the terrain. Can your prophet out of the terrain? A message person will say, I know no tenacity. Can that can never panum tenacity, no more ship plans in India. No more release the council to send a buying government run affairs. No more release the 24 council. 24 council, no match. It be a way for a prophet for him. It's a prophecy, so I normally command the 24th seat. I'm paying. Not paying so I will release the ama. You also don't call for some come to the ama. Yes, Nenkora no music is yanum. No, I could school. Nay, I will, but be able to know alcohol. Yes, you the same message in alcohol. And two bar, idea ya plan ya part to her. Nifa be the baby happy. Nay, I will now the same message in Abba. And the prophecy, yes, sir, and my woman fee, my papa fee, and America back away, ya Canada. The same by may say, ye bab ya try solar system, 500 to 1,000 years to come. Ye we are by Yamiensa. Wait, and yes, as you want some. I feel about 1,000 years to come. It is in the next 24,000 years evolution. And it's 24,000 years away. And to back Israel, Obaka Iran, Obaka America. It is everything is in Revelation. On can't hear. On shall come be. The same member catcher say, she, Yamsafo, or Kwasayaba. Na Messa catcher say, She moon, ye baby year through. And ma be war money man manda. And ma ammonia message be way but much away home come. You have no idea. But ye any him into make a can. What the revelation were own kind, and I'll to one who will my feet and Israel for my bay. I will hold that. Over 24,000 years ago near Bani Yakaka. Into we are me kind, Bone said, 1,000 years to come. No more can say, hey, prophet out of the fish and come say, ye we are near Bayami and son, moon will be free.
Obian Fanya his stomach comes in the buyer.
Yes. And to say we are near Bayami and son, ye be bought a brabo and it say we are no contain solar year. And ye Hannah, and some comes say, I mean, show we. And home point what Malachi chapter 4 say. Oh, the Malachi chapter 4, no, mommy. Come on.
Okay, let me open it quickly. The book of Malachi, chapter 4, verse
1 going.
I say, for behold, the day cometh that shall burn as an oven, and all the proud, yea, and all that do wickedly shall be stubble. And the day that cometh shall burn them up, saith the Lord of hosts, that it shall leave them neither root nor branch.
Enti unum go for ade omo.
Phone.
Omo mo ntimi ntena wiase no. Ewia na se.
Yakub
the sun. Ewia no ebo abiri no so a ebo abrofo no mo ntimi ewia no. No mpe ba bi ahye enti o say it will burn them and leave them no root. Nti o the person kire o say ye be yi o ma fe sister no mukura. Ewiane be ya miensa, ano be ya din to the way so omun be hye omase until said they go underground and live there. Nti bo hu say ye hu abrofo no wasase no so biem. That golden age no eya before nkwa kose ye de kura mela na yetimi awia. Enti kan kakra so aso me pe son of righteousness no.
2 no say, but unto you that fear my name shall the Son of Righteousness arise with healing in his wings, and he shall go forth and grow up as calves of the stall.
Yeah, before no. Into no calf of the stock right there. Omunya green grass na omu did no ma mento. But so what you say before be ye kese. Ye baba sheshe. Ye betena ye nyame kese. And no trumpet na ye to ma mo say. And ye mu na mo serious no mu ndi ncheche na chi na mo nsesa. Na mo vibrate wa before man vibrate on a before energy. Uko vibrate wa before energy ya ye be hye wako. Na ya enjoy it. No see would yes.
Obetwe bibini but vibration
by your conscious you are Caucasian. Caucasian odi indomie, Caucasian odi pizza, Caucasian odi biscuit, Caucasian odi 3 times a day, Caucasian odi breakfast. The Benin breakfast. Oh, yeah. Eating. Yeah, and noodles, the Benin odi noodles. The Benin odi noodles.
And I see a money in a money manu.
No. In just a better election, you do basic kindness, you do see a before kindness. You do see before kindness, so I can say, I need you them into qualify.
Because Indomie body say, organization, alata for lie, no now the vegetable.
Eating more means you are dying. And I wouldn't want
eating more or eating some kind of food.
Eating more. I did baby you because over my system now you're baby.
Okay, you the system overworks.
Yeah.
By so or more digestive.
Yeah.
Dissemination.
Yeah. Toxic. Now because of chemicals. Who wound them?
At the part also says so. Please, what should you do then?
All should we do? Yes, we are. They say go back to your roots. You are a natural being. Before a natural being, so go back to nature. Natural, organic, and I can't talk about who the rich to we say, no, can't talk and say, Wanyahe. Ni obetro. I'm a word yet, the man who are torn or betrayal. Into 1 year, Jenny menu draw near Chawato. Or near for some so will be Chawato. Or by a say, Mundi organic, or never mudia, or by ye, Usi wunti, Udia, Bordia, 1 saka, ye dear, now pie ma 50, 40, 60. Bordia never saw it miss so. Entafo atasa miensa bayela yetugu a bottle banchi yetu a wo se ompe onko afuom wo de office adwuma na oye o botai wo tie wiem no abotai no wa se shoot wo tie wiem
prof sesia baby a ye man Ghana ye dru ya yensa ase nyina galamse aseni indi se
no na ma asase nye cleaning se ohene Edi ma asase se ana efie mo hwe so na oba na ese ehwa efie a oye cleaning ansena wa chef fro ase intesase ne be ye cleaning na ye kom na ye ba na 7 years and ha so 7 years e kom na ye ba no na mo twena mo bible no mo ye ne sache we say I happen that until why you adwan free so afa na ye ba na ye ka che say Joseph bi ekọ Egypt na ono kọ ye omundua no ye kantaka Ghana na oba ye na obekire ye afu mo djuba no and I'm not sure Joseph story, no. The Bible, nothing. Be a wohobiano, if before, and a yano, I didn't try from. In this story, I see Joseph go Egypt, and I see you. I think a BBC. And Joseph is Kantanka.
Inti a common ebano, Kantanka establishment, and a best sustaining
Africa before Ghana, and Tibosa, Uncle Papa have a Jebiani. Baba sere enti ubahu say we celebrate so no oh me celebrate yeah bubomu din shatanom sa kwadianom omo amokeka ho no odiline okosere aduane anyansafo wom enti omo no ma yemfuo te say John Dumelu say waya afuo enti oni say no onkosere aduane cause oyemfuo wona hu say afuo nya adwuma but in the universe the only work the universe gave man is farming. The natural work for man is farming. Apart from farming, adwuma aka nyina is created by ye kwaniaba na afeso no devil system no e dey adwuma na ba. What the computer because of the computer ba anameboa.
Asema okay. Say Bible no krampum say bema obe you till the land.
Yeah.
Say Bible no.
Yeah. Aya wona o say me dey me nim afemu ndwuma o. Me dey me ntimi so sikan mu kwadwofo. Kwa na ball. Yakub na ball na se kantanka na ball. Kantanka na ball di ajani ya okeka no. Na we farmer by nature. Broni no broni no ondi organic. Enti onko afomu a me ni asem. Eno ono soso no ofi asase ne so a omba ha bi. Owu a wayera o incarnate if so ni kra o de be incarnate. Enti ono omba ba wo besan aba.
Yede Bible ne brain no. Oma ye ti ase se bema na se nipa obeye afubadwuma no punishment. Because oshe Bible no ma Garden of Eden tama Adam and Eve could aduaba no punishment e ma bema say obesa oni obedo obesa woni fifi asase no so enti no onya ka afudwuma pe Bible no kire wo say punishment. Eno na ya adopt to a school mu a ene school ni eye late waye from so bibia se kodo it from the word go no adona ye negative bibi aye bosum bi e wo ye ni so class na edi nyini because bi kodo a say o punish no
enya punishment per se na ne me kan say wanti anyamenem kasa ase a ena ya wo interpret your wonsem negatively wa hu say ye nche chiri mo na say addition ma hu say Adam no ofore enti ye born wie na ye born as nyame no ese bibisi na fall na wa fall enye ho no nko evolution bi enti owo garden mu na that is Garden of Gan and a Garden of Eden and then omo kan Garden of Eden Saudi Arabia the Holy Land a omo create garden na bibia wo fruit enduane omo Anunnaki treatment omo no anyaменum treatment sense sata amene de na o nyame ni bi if say for higher senses na ye adwuma te se kantan kanom de no so wahu into no say nyame ni bi one na yere e say wa fall na onya sa privilege no onya sa prince and queen treatment no onya sa sikaniba treatment na say no so obebo bra na ofom no evolve no ene ye kwan to homa ne say ni wo ye rinti no ya kese se na be ya Adam ni bumfu na obedo asase no na why because imagine say o papa iskani o ye duane ma yes evo na one day o papa ma so wa do akose kwa yem say shawabra bo ase wo sa de o beti ase I just say wa boy po bi atu adwim asa wo asa wo waji atu sa de te if say omu train omu 100 years e mo ntete so wo na ye church omu ntete 100 years ansana omu di omu kwasa sema ye omu afro nti say no o ba beti da sa na no bi a wo da range bom say the bicycle ra wo ni bi ise o ba nante ompa ba to ba beti wo insta na te nti yanto aso yeah nti
also prof say adepa awesome what should you do then no what should we do then no na answer ne say ye nyina yemfa soso ene yon ene
yafo
Pickers ni ade yemfa nko
onye slay queen na onye celebrity bia
and the way cheche ko the celebrity nyina some do mujim
nyame safo
but as a matter of fact prof as a matter of fact yeka is not even you don't need you don't need esoteric knowledge to know say o share your problem pa Ghana specifically senka ye the farming AC so as a national developmental plan pa enka it will create a lot of employment ekabema development the crampo aye fast aye quick enye say ka ye dey answer si crampo e ma galamsey fo ya almost say ni ka say nyame nyina ka mba so ka you have even enough to even export and Ghana ye to enye ani wo say ye importing in toast Ghana importing in toast jene
toothpick na okra no na kan taka pa ya o chira o say
grade be fa ne say no grade ya carve na din asase a rich land like Ghana we do an crown in toes a baby could shoot with feature crown fifi. Everywhere in Ghana, it me a swaba. Na ye crack in yamitin toes. Jane Kakadro. Hey!
Ento aswe. Enti the four gospels. Ni etienye. Ya di John eko hona aye den de chire ni wiye no. Na Revelation chapter 10. Ya ka che ni se on prophesy biem. So who on prophesy biem. O we Revelation chapter 10 a. Ohona angel kasiye na ba kusi asase so ba kusi ensuo so epono so. Angel Michael no. And I say that I angel will be the seventh seal. Then the mysteries of God will be sealed. And I say, I have ended. So year no in 1970. In 1970 no will be the seventh seal no. Na golden age no. I must say more activity. And in all kind revelation I'll say half an hour. 1 hour. Half an hour is what? 30 minutes.
30
1
minutes.
hour is what? 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
So 1 hour is 60 years. 30 minutes is 30 years. Until from 1970 to the year 2000, 30 years. So that's the half an hour. So they were giving half an hour. That's the Caucasians. From 1970 will be
30 years from
1970
get to 2000.
Yes, until you do 2000 per now 24,000 years. And I am another half an hour. As a grace period, say, I'm on packet or monoma, so into another half an hour, no, from 2000 to 2030. And from 1970 to 2030 is 1 hour, 60 minutes, 60 years. So now the devil is left with 5 minutes on the clock.
That's 5 years.
5 years. But now, he will 2026, so 4 years.
It's even less than 5 years.
Yeah, 4 years. And who said from now to 2027, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, if we are some chaos on Kwa and to come namu, na a come namu. Na enti near so ba na on open seal na near sensi no wa ba wie wa open a wie enti enje mark be seal 1970 na 71 na ne papa ote Kristo asafo enti ne papa ote na agu because na ne ba no onyam bie 70 ni ye ne ba ni bie 70 ni pe 1971 ne papa bie aso na gina ye be si ne enti ya de man no until engine catch and say small book be onje na onwe no we a na numu de ebe ndede na mo ne yamu no ebe ne nyono Revelation chapter 10 the little book okay. Sa little book na ni Quran enti Quran na wo say e bone ala ye bone Muslim Revelation crash ho e ha no pesa me kire wo say prophet no Muhammad akaye ho nti Muhammad oya prophet kronkron mpanyifo no ba kono no nti ye wo 7 of them two kind na wo na Yeshua na wo na o say Fenison dragon nature na esen wankasa yenson ayenson. So it starts from Adam, Noah, no about Abraham, no about Moses, no about either Isaac or Ishmael because of muche until Christopher na betu Isaac na Moses for na atusu wan Ishmael 5 Yeshua eka ho sen 6 Muhammad ka ho sen 7 so the last the highest of them Angel Michael 8 na pim ho because 9 dey wonko 9 dey anu in the si ho until bibia ne pim 8 if say anu no dey wa zoom the 9th dimension 9th of everything wa zoom either prophet to either teacher so level bia 9 in there obi anko ho anu na zoom what you say enti owie no say prophesy again enti prophesy again no and ma John ebe through the book of John in AD 98 if say Revelation no AD 96 and the fa no call ho no ba no chro ye and the
Revelation was written before
the book of John.
The Bible no Revelation me etwa to
ono no wa hihye ne sa oyo no wa hihye ne sa
o de be ni ba wa dwun be koso
yes o hihye ne sa susu in case say because Revelation no and the cross bibia enti we no na wakwa ko hu omo no say me hu ne nkofo ne kire wasase wo hwe ne omo ye hwe akwa bi wase efe ne Paul hwe ne omo ye wo ho ka ho ko tro me nsem no na tro ne ye na ka ne yi enti John bae no afi wa ko hu Yeshua fili say sa ha na wo wa ko hu Angel Michael Almighty wa ko hu no nti sa na say na mo tie enti obae a ocho the book of John na o sha say enfiti ase no na asem no wo ho na asem no Yankopon na wo ho na asem no Yankopon hwe asem no kanea na kanea ntinimu no ba wiasim se kanea be hran obedi kanea no ho adanse hwe oba ne diem na so ne de anje no nemo won mo wa gini tum no wo gini tum no ommo mo tum se omba ya nyame ne mma enti ha kire wo se Yeshua me ka che se oba ya ne na oye ni nyina no manje na ntum no start se oni common people no the sweet start se oni omo de kasa enti ne ya ja asofo na Yesu ni mu kasa yi kosofo ne de oye papa prophet godfather on person obelusu ni seat wo ba be ka che ne se nyame bia ni hu a Yesu na ya nyame no na onkwa asole na onkwa ye ne father onfa correction nko onfa title nko on pesa into person on do so Satan nko fo no mu di ni paso hye ni paso on more freedom enti ochro the book of John AD 98 technology master of technology Satan makacho so ne de dabia no ye de ade ni ba wie a no wabu kef sometime no be see afinfini no tutum no de we sha engineer so ye aduma magazine dia menim so upon the ho aduma magazine dia no watu ha no de asha ha no watu we no wa yesei sene ne mma no juufo ne abrofo ye omu ye yai omu kwa jitu kofa abibifo ye ho noma no watu ha no de asha no ubewi a plan abaka se nipa ne bulunyi onye bibini ana mo fa the book of John in AD 325 to be Avran can crucifix for some Bible no 385 AD Constantine AD 325 ana mo fa the book of John ana mo hwe so ana mo chiro Matthew ana Emperor Mark Antony, Roman General Mark Antony no ono kwa wale Egypt ni Cleopatra ono wo Jesus Justus nti Jesus Justus no ono mo na Jesus Christ na abrofo no som no nti broni Jesus na ye dia ma aso no ono ye Jesus Justus nti broni Mark Antony General ayo Roman General ono ni Egypt ni ba ewo yi ono wo sa Jesus Justus no nti na mo di broni Jesus na de ma mo no na Yeshua original de wo ho so wo and I also throw the book of Mark. And I feel look media me physician no. Na Yeshua adwuma ba ye dia me lie ni bi say me hu say ni o ye ni nyina na o use science. I to say o ye healer, I to say o ye priest scientist bi. Me so me scientist. Inti ni o ye skills na o ye ni me nim bi. Ma hu say nkofo atwro account anti me so me per say me so me chiro bi na look so de etro na de no mu wi o mo say every word is inspired by the Spirit of God. Can look, mommy.
Luke chapter 1 verse 1.
It's inspired by the Spirit of God.
Luke chapter
if
1
it's
verse
inspired
1.
by the Spirit of God, we will see. Can Luke chapter 1 verse 1. Can 1 to
Luke
4.
chapter 1 verse 1.
1 to 4. Can in them name
the and some na see a question be. Or say esan say enipa pi afato won ho say obe chere nsem a aba wo yen mu no ato aso said de wona wo free mfitiase de wonani hunuye na wosom asem no ho de ma yen no inti Theophilo pa eye me se me nso mahwehwe ni nyina mu pepepe efiri mfitiase no metwere no maako meberewo
me say I decided onipa moja woni mo say I decided to be inspired by the Spirit of God.
First day me who sa scripture we say na look roboda man
o de yanko
Dabi,
but kind baby you say I decided I decided mommy I decided
verse 3 no I say it seemed good to me also, having had perfect understanding of all the things from the very first to write unto thee in order, most excellent Theophilus, that thou might know the certainty of those things wherein thou hast been instructed. Eti we look no not the baby now the baby not to say and comfort card said the nay prof kaya no na me feel say
Yes.
so adanse a mudi fa yesu hu meso me ntrobi atrobi da come na danfo yes all scriptures are by the inspiration of the Holy Spirit, which Holy Spirit
all scriptures are inspired. Hana kai
offer
Paul nti yebeba pause one dey bi Paul ha
prof aka break akra bi aka 26 minutes
ai o de kakra be ka nko so kasa bebre o je me ble ni bi
ayelo quick
untu kasa be 20 minutes cry
tell you na say no na ye say kama menka
nti e ka ho bi nti bolobolo
dual carriage enye single
nti e be ndai enti nyame safo aba owo nkofa na oni omonam onkofo no ni ye omonoma na obiti ni baabi onamu wa twa nyame safo na ye ne chese ohun so enya ne fe onpempo nyame safo ko ya wase me da mete se nkofo keka o nti musum pese me nyemi hu ye musum pese me chiro na wuwie a ye ka nyame safo nsem a na akofa sa akọ ne de na ba be ka ho se ye nyame safo nsem ne bi. How? Now we are see it's inspired by the Spirit of God. Enti omo chroe come enti Matthew with the kind Matthew has say mommy kind Matthew 9:9 kind Matthew 9:9 mommy kind in them
Matthew chapter 9
verse 9
and say even here P black or Makai in P black. I say, and as Jesus passed forth from thence, he saw a man named Matthew sitting at the receipt of custom, and he said unto him, follow me. And he arose and followed him.
When Jesus was passing by, he saw a man sitting where? Under a tree.
Sitting at the receipt of custom.
Customs, just or a tax collector. No, say,
custom officer.
Follow me. Say, you might you natural in book. And Kobeka say, I was collecting tax. I was on my duty. And Jesus called me to follow him. And Hanu, what me say, I will report and to be natural. So it's not the disciple Matthew who wrote the book of Matthew.
That's correct.
Mame ka wo ma union am tiase say. Nyame no wa born no ma onyansa no ma onimdie. Enti nyame na o expect wo say ade bia beba wa kwan mu bia no o expect say obayusu wa dwen no sebe na wo de ahwe. Enti ansa na wo be kan bibia no ese wo hu ba bia de ne fi. O kan passage, o kan message bia hwan na chiro ye efure hi ye de koma hwan. Message bia o Bible bia say sa na ka o kan Bible na nka wa chi o mo dadaada.
But here's the case, I catch and say, you need a spirit to give you an understanding.
You don't need spirit. Where okay? Nipane say, I saw. He was passing by, and a certain man called Matthew was sitting down. When you Matthew now, the book of Matthew was not written by Matthew. Sounds like Genesis.
Obviously, the Bible has the text and the spirit. So after reading the brofun words, letters, you have to get understanding from a certain spirit. I don't know where that spirit is.
Bisa almost say, so ba ewiase we mu a Bible school and law school. Why am the kind books bebre? Why am the decode sentences? Why am na break sentence and we are down?
Law.
Into lawyer no onya spirit as an oblique no madawana. Unu books or mokan. Books ni buwa ne kakra to say.
And I know can be if you need the spirit to understand the Bible, then go and read it in the spirit.
Don't read it in the physical.
Because if you're reading the physical, you need the physical. Yes.
If it's a spiritual book, then send into the spirit. We are in physical existence.
It's as simple as ABCD.
Yes.
I do a me Nkrofobi who say me cancer we are on better shock pa. But that's the truth. No crano a brand son ye who are ye beka.
Yes.
First near nim. Na ye nim and I need your ye yanko to say ye
into kind
ye just like that.
Okay, Mark and Sosua. Mark and Soso no koko 2 Malachi chapter 3 verse 1. Na ye kan ajenkana wo no. Ono so koko 2 you know the starting near the no. Se na be ya be hu se ajenkwa no kura ya wo no. So oboa. onim ho hwe onim ho fala ba bi esanse aban mu ensamo de president ne cabinet ne ministers eno munim alentina sabi nsem bi ho amunim no e bi se ye wirizi ma wa na omso ma wirizi na omo mbesa mo kyerɛ ba ba kyerɛ enti theology bible school no mo kan no enya anu ne plan na mo kɔ kyerɛ ho e satan ne plan na ye bible no mo kyerɛ enti ono so sofo no ba ba kyerɛ ni akɔ akosua
and last na make us say sometimes no ntimi blame ya so for
because the obetom no
ya transfer yes ya transfer ama omo
yeah
said the Samuel a friend by
cornerstone see really into cornerstone really no can question you na you are no or see really can question you na you are no really about what enti omochro miensa no no ka bom enti omoyi stories no efi the book of John no into kan the book of John abon say the book of John no e kan Yeshua ne nsem ni yi say Matthew Mark and Luke no and I feel so no omoyi bi fi the book of John ono mo church no wo ada ayinu nti bo hu se ensem ni bi ho a omanfa amba John omo de ko ada gospel no so the bo say Yeshua ne se ni bi wo ena ne esan so ye yampo ni se John no de ono no ni okohu ye no na fi how wate Yeshua ase no ena o kan ye na mom Yeshua na nkasa kasa ne nsem ne de omanfa nche Bible no na kire no omanfa nche enti wo hwa ye omo keka fa ne ho obi e ka fa no oyese o kan say na ne ono ka ye na wahi enti ne teachings na kasa de
doesn't mean so buy no one make statement be na
enti omo fa ne the Dead Sea Scrolls no omo fa ne Dead Sea Scrolls bi na nsan eno mu ko say say Yeshua ne real teachings cry wo ho to ho your friend the ascended gospel enti Yeshua won yo kire ma ye first teaching about near Yeshua kire ni bi aye the kingdom of God ma ye me post with the nation of Nubia on YouTube na odofo kwa akohwe say Yeshua ka say seek ye first the kingdom of God and its righteousness na what yase if say or say eno ansa na ne ewuhwe nyina be den onsa beta so wan nya sa de na onsa anka na say within the kingdom of God aka say ya asore dan nyame na akohwe a ende wari enti the four gospels no bako pet na your original and as our original ya yi emu 7 bi ne na ko hihye that one enti John the book of John pet and your original and ono no since they didn't call the spacecraft in building no ono no hu ne e wo ho what you say
to no ono na be report e
about report e enti John the ono na achro enti esia ni Matthew no na achro Matthew
everything under John in John book ni bibia ye okay
bibia ono na chro
no I mean ono na chro
enye ni nyina na ye okay
because
on to say what you asam na ba ni ye ya no
atu ase
because ha no Yeshua wanka owusole bi hu asem wanka resurrection hu bi asem wanka bejimi bi hu asem we nyina Paul na keka we nyina
Prof T. Adepa also say, anytime I open the Bible to read after church, I always feel sleepy. Oh, I always feel sleepy, not knowing it's nothing.
We are Yamisa ba, and internet now or Lukumuno. Because Yamisa for percent, I am trying to do much.
Register on Ajunim.
Yes. Enti Oniad of war. Gospel son of Mokano. They say I established say near your original pet and the book of John. And the book of John's messages be no media share other ones in them. And to say Yeshua and prophesy Islamic religion. And to say, blessed are the peaceful, for they shall be called the children of God. And no, and they decree Islam no. Ne also one can say, you are the peaceful, and you shall be called the kingdom of God. A future. Blessed are the peaceful, for they shall be called into a future thing. Prophecy no. And Tuba Islam means peace. Shalom. Salem means peace. In TSA, Melchizedek, the king of peace, the king of the city of Salem. Salem means peace. Salem no, and one Jerusalem to know. Jerusalem the city of peace. Jerusalem means city of peace. And Salem no, and from Syriac Arabic to Aramaic to a new Arabic and the word Salem no ababaye Islam. So ababaye Islam. And Islam just means peace. Asumji.
O master na bisa asemu.
I said then.
So is the Quran also corrupted since Muhammad left us?
So far as Satan do as so dear. Bibia ni hwa wo de ba na wo kwa obeja ne sao. Nti nyame safu se na me bɔ ne nkɔfo ne kokɔsɛ. Na already ni ko ma hyase. Ukɔ Kristo asafom sisi a emu che divisions wo. Amoko. Happen esan say ye ka kyerɛ wo say nyame frɛ ne mba ne mahia ofrɛ mo meeting na Satan call if Satan so nyame ba ne bi nti bia nyame ne mma wo bia no ɔno so ka nyame mba ho nti ɔno so kɔ hɔ bi na ko bia ne de nti Yesu aka kyerɛ mo sɛ hwɛ kuani no on do dua pawo na mo dua pa ne bi yɔkɔda ye pɛ no bɔne fɔ be dua bɔne e de fry na ne nyina nyini nti nyame safo wɔ hɔ no nim sɛ nkɔfo ne wɔ mu no ebi nya ne ma nti ɔmo na ɔmo hyehyem adidi mu an ɔmo kreti confusion in division na ɔmo twist ni pan na sɛm na nti ɔmo bi bɛyɛ mpanyimfo a na afɛ ma direction na ɔmo nkɔfo na aba abɛgye ade no
ɔmo de afa
nti Kristo asafo no ɔmo nhwɛ ɔmo ho yie ɛwɔ saa de we ho bisa Yesu akɔ yɛ pɛ na ɔmo yi ne ntwerɛtwerɛ ne firi hɔ na ɔmo ka sɛ na yɛ ɔyɛ virgin birth na owu sɔre na ogi ni dia nti ɔmo wait ɔmo twɛn ya ma wɔn ma na ɔmo yɛ witness ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔmo nyinaa wui nti hwɛ o Yesu akɔ yɛ Yeshua 120 years into from 7 AD to 1 plus 120 into which means 127 years from 2026 years into film. Yeshua kwa no mo twen sa 325 AD. That na nkofo ni na awu. Nti obi anu oba beta sifase anya no kore na mo keka mo se na mo keka boom. Nti se no obi anu oba kasa anya na kore ana aka be se ene. Enti ha no na me kyerɛw say foundation of Christianity is not Yeshua. Yeshua and critic Christianity.
For Paul the room ni wi.
Enti Paul mom and the lay foundation for Christianity. Enti Paul say, "Share me my inspiration from nyame na fa ne Yahweh no and lo nyame safo ne nua no." Na wa hu how of Paul of Samuel. Okay, Samuel say of no dayem enti me nso manya sa inspiration me so me de be kame de Yeshua wan frɛ me Yeshua ne sua ko no mo ye dumienu me nka ho oni mi mpo nanso me since me nso me ka technology ne ho nti no me isu sa nyansa ne sa nimdie no na me dia trick wiase me dia trick nipa enti so me ko kama asɛm na makasa hwɛ me hia ewia no ne ewia ne bɔ meto ho na mani frae no wie no o mamsoma na ma hye me technology na ase na ma hye ase enti kan ma me
no ye scripture ben
aye Acts kind
Acts chapter
9 we no study no that 9 verse 4
Acts 9 verse 4 and he fell to the earth and heard a voice saying unto him, Saul, Saul, Samuel,
yes,
why persecutest thou me? And he said, Who thou art? Who art thou?
For the pe. Ndiye, yemle ndiye. Yeah. And the one who said last week my what I say inspiration na modicrity esum religion nyamso. A certificate Samuel. And I say otene nyame afrenti nyame afrem the certificate Samuel so. I say bia na Paul I repeat wo hai. Ye boni di how many times?
Then Saul.
Yes. And the one who say me or this banana ya nyame Jesus wo hia me wa frem afie wiem na obɔ me din Saul and then me say nyame kura me say frem Saul and then nyame ma me din Saul and then afie na ko Saul sa na me de ko wuo na ba na say na ya frem Saul ya be frem Paul nyame ma odin na afie waja nyame tin na nyame de ma na to afie wo see frem Paul you see technology ni wahu omo plan ade ne start away say they so wonya smart on baby tiu nyame abodi so e ba na say na say we Paul
but who said Paul also started after that encounter no
so into kind Acts chapter 9 na e wa 13 ho no 13 ho na ne di ni sign from Saul to Paul but Paul no unim Paul kro ba ye de enimu no Entino wajini tumi yase me wasoma me se me ko ka ensam no nkyere amanamanafo me so me de no e de na Yeshua kan me baden me diem emra na Yeshua Canaanite woman no say ne ba ahomfin ha no enti Yeshua nko sane yare no Yeshua de na oye o kasa o de ko hwe time ko ntino wan kasa ko hwe me ma obese ko hwe na kan na fa exercise kakra Yeshua ni Canaanite woman no oba no Canaanite oba no o se ne ba ahomfin ha nti Yeshua ko bo mpa ma no o kasa wie ni Yeshua mfi no wan ota wedding po so ye Canaanite ena ogusu na oha no o chantia mu ena ne suafo ne ba se pamami nko na oha dwendodo odika ba yen ye ho so nwu na o ka kire ne se de na o ka kire no o si yemfa emma na duane fa maden
Nkraman.
ye enti Yeshua wan ba ma Canaanite fo wan ba ma abrofo nti nyamsa fo ba yo ba ma abrofo
Dabi.
abrofo no mo de ye den on come asem o kasa ne kro ka kro na eye ne ya o ka kro na osumodi
me hwe ne video bi o kasa no kan brofo o twesan ye
nti Yeshua sa on prophet L33 me kasa sa me nka o masem mo onye o nti na me wa ha nti Yeshua no establish mo hu se wan ba ma Canaanite fa brofo no wan ba mo oba ma ne de ne diem nti o hye ne kwafo ne se don't go to the Gentiles enya sa na o ka kire mo emamu ko pechiti Gentiles no na ba ne se na Paul se nti obi o wasase ne so se be ba ma me de no wa fi so akwa wi a obi se e ohia me kwan so wasma me se me nko ka asem nche Gentiles fo Paul oyo torofo demon una wa nti am se invitation ma wote ase se Christosum foundation ye Paul ne righteous no me critique Christosum na nya Yeshua demon
true. Even before conversion class.
ye beba ho and unima be mami
Romans, is it 10 or something? Romans 10 Anambwa.
I don't know.
Romans 10. What's it?
Romans 10:9. The two we are no be Acts 16:30. Romans 10:9.
First.
Romans 10:9.
I'll say that if thou shalt confess with thy mouth the Lord Jesus and shalt believe in thy heart that God has raised him from the dead, thou shalt be saved.
Enti kwan be so afa so a ubenya nkwaje kwan be so ye be saved. Yesu ba na ka so be saved obi.
Dabi.
Yesu won enti obaye. O say I came to testify the truth. Enti Pilate ebisa na say, "Wo na so ye king of the Jews no?" O say, "Ah ne ewu anu asem o, wo na wo ka." Na me de me ba say, "Me bedi no kwan ho den adanse no kwan so ne de no ken light no." What is the light? The light of the world. What's the light of the world? Is anu. The light of the world is the sun and kwa. The light. In the Congo what to say? Light bearer. Me light bearer. Dr. Pakwasi, light bearer. What's so light bearer? More do no kwan ho dance bia you are light bearers. If say light no, and ni wia no. Nyame no, oni ni wia no. E wia ni ho a enkwa ni ho. Aha na besa me kire wo say. Nipa oba wo no, ene wa fa abirimu na ne kra no eni ewia be ye baako. So wahu. Enti nyame safi say otie ewia no. Okra asem de kan light. So nyame safi if you add all colors together, light together, how do you get? You get dark. Enti na ono uru Panesatan color na is dark or gray. Panesatan ne na my 8. Nyame safo ono control everything from 8th dimension because mama what just say 9th dimension dey on papa no na wo ho ono wa zoom the 9th dimension bi bia sha ono na 9th dimension everything bia ono but 8th no nyame safo na wo ho o ka kala sin nyina bo ma dark so wan wonti mu no dark hunamu no light ne wia no nti nyame safo no nti Ghana say otanasia ne ye bone na ne sa na rainbow no atwa ewia no ho ahia rainbow to tosa ye dikania ne ho adanse nti so ba ma ne de Juda busian ko na me kire wo say ye na me kire wo say ye nua no mo a fellow Tatmos or small mo say omonko kenas asese no monko pam nkofo no ntu omo firi ho na omko ya omko ka ha omo ma wala wala ya wo no ntu omo firi so omo ne omo yo pe ne esmo Yeshua say ko na ko kasa kire omo na gi omo na wo no say no entokwa wo enki nyamesafo ni nua no yawe hello omo ntem ntu wo na ye make sure say adanadani emu no wo papa fi enki ho na wo ma me fi enle ho ntu wo no wo abusuan mi no nyina mo nti Yeshua on the balance for the two families nti nyamesafo papa no o make sure say o be create seed or the balance ebeba aniano no mutem if say universe no before abusuan no ye na ye konto universe ni nyina what you say enti Yeshua mom na nyamesafo papa no create ni seed ni say ne fa be fi kantanka ase na ne fa fi kantanka nuano ya we enle ase enti no mom the balance aba abusuan mi no na sunja aba if sound to call the name that to be chat into until on the first fruit of that kind into on about the cabusham in no bay a boom and or buy and so no time no can I hold buy and you know mamma call alcohol into all cassa no what jomo among say musa na motie one who into not on the fire brim until ban or buy a test near the man and or pass here and he ascended into the 23rd seat no better than 23rd elder. So who now also I say was mama said me nko amanamamu enko kasa obi ansoma ye Yeshua ansoma ye Yeshua onimu babia maybe boy nyamesafo ne prophet no maybe Paul even maybe boy and le prophet no who Paul Yeshua ne disciples no Paul who na free Paul is a self-acclaimed apostle.
That's correct.
Self-acclaimed. And Yeshua say Yakob say Yeshua say I say how can I be saved? When you dance and am I saved? No, say dimlano so. And I can't say recite respect nyame onyanko for the source. Anu the most I respect who so only the most high. I feel do onyanko say do you pan uma me waje ni onani do onyanko so won anyo ni abone emukum. I say na me ye ju ni o. Me ma di we nyina so me ju asase so ne ye wo. Ma di we nyina so ne de na wo kire. I say sa okay ko tom hu no ma nyina. Na first can ma nya for na bedi machi o say akwede na o kire hwe woni bla me bla yansa na me toto sa no ma we wiase we woni me hwe de na o kire and until Yesu a kire how you can be saved wa kire yanko e kan we ma me enti John 6:28-29.
The book of John chapter 6 verses 28 and 29. Okay, I read. Then said they unto him, what shall we do that we might work the works of God? Jesus answered and said unto them, this is the work of God, that ye believe on him whom he has sent.
Enti wa hu say ha Yesu aka kire ne say koton na fama ohiafo na bedi machi enti ha no be say wa kire ne say ansa na ye betima sevu aka sa ankofo ye ba be sevu omu agi se waye madwuma agi se wagime atum question on bisa ne say enti edan ni gamedwuma edan ye ka say meye we maye menya me adwuma ena Yesu ase hwa no kona me say agi se waje ne yesoma no kronkron no ba ko penadi ena ke se wo ye nyamedwuma na nyamedwuma anya aso de mo na akotonwom no nyamedwuma anya ntre na obo no nyamedwuma anya bible na wokan no nyamedwuma anya kwarista no nyamedwuma ne enkondwa ne pra na opra so dem wo say meye menya me adwuma ye kwanhyiamu o ene nya nyamedwuma oyo obi na adwuma satan adwuma nyamedwuma ne say ebeni abiribia no ye besoma akasefo no ba ko no waba na ode ne ye wo ho no manipa no na ode abro mo na omo ye se ye gye mo ne yagye omo enti nyamesafo ba yi se wo ye nyamesafo adwuma asekira ne se ne nyamesafo de ba no wo wagina tum enti waka ne ho na ne o ye no wo so wo ye wafo mu de eden e de aboa nti hana Yesu a kira ne se koton fa mahiafo na badi machi na ne me ye ne ye bibua me wo ye we onyame adwuma wie ukasa nyamedwuma ne se wo kwa asole enti wo nkwa asole de wo nsom nyame wonya nyamedwuma nyame no owo he me kwa asole de mo no ma mpepa ne mpaboa ma nko nsu ama no ma service esom say yesum nipa enti kwa asole de ma nyame de na oyema no you go there to exercise yourself mo ho not God.
O say enna wo say no say edien na yenye na yaye onyankopon nnwuma Yesu bu ase won say ye ni nyankopon adwuma Se mobeji die osuma no
Prope
edi.
adi enti wo Zafnat
Hey.
wadi me adi a obua me a ne nanam de aso me a ekwe wo ye onyam ye adwuma no no ne oti a ono so wo hye no cause we na bebe gi nipa no nkwa ukasa kwa so da kse wa nyam ye adwuma wana kasa nyame wa so da wo kra wunim se nyame ne ti mu enti se nipa no nyina afi aso dem ho a nyame oni aso dem ho bi cause nyame oti nipa ni mu nipa ne boa mu wo ha na nyame wo ho nipa ne fi aso dem nkondwa pe na aka ho nyame ni ho
Yeah.
enti ye ho adwuma nti adwuma me ye nipa ho adwuma abifo ho adwuma ne ye nti ye ho adwuma ti nyame adwuma no ye medwuma se wo ye nipa ho adwuma na wo de wakogina so dembo e na wo bom paye ma obi wo so nwum ma obi wo so ye nyame adwuma nyame ben ma ye teach sa matu din say
much time
yes
our church pa.
ma ye teach sa matu din say the act of God calling people into ministry is fraud kona ko tie e wo YouTube e bina me ka kire wo no ofre Samuel wodayem alenta omba first can be fro wo de dayem no ofre Paul so wase mi hu ewia e na nyame so obo me din so mo de da bia no encounter no is not physical da bia encounter no physical
Yemremu asofo kra bebre na encounter ne ye dream ne so called spiritual encounter.
ko dream na koye if say physical de me pa acho abrofo no mo te ye kon so omo ma ye yankasa ye ntu ye good omo se ye nsu omo de omo do ha ne ha ye sidi no wahu omo ma ye kere kono ma ye kira de a enkoyi ntini aye physical thing na ye not anything spiritual obi nyame ama ne nyansa wa be TikTok ye nyina ye te so wo nyame ne de Jesus trada wo ma bibini bia nyansa ma ne ntimi biye bibi te say Facebook visa na ultimima
Prof